said, the woman who you gave me to be with me gave me of the tree and I did eat.
That is what we call man spirit. Man, thank you. That is what we call a man spirit. A man spirit is full of ego, is full of themselves. We the men, including myself here, I will never bow down to a woman. Even if you found me doing it, I will tell you I was bewitched to be here. God spoke to them and asked them, what are you doing? And he told, instead of repenting and recanting, he told God that the woman that you gave me. So it is not my mistake, but your mistake. The woman that you gave me made me to do this. So go ask that woman, not me. That is the man spirit is full of ego. It is a man spirit that manipulates, controls, and they never surrender. Because they believe we are always right. Even if we fail, even if we go down. A man, even if he's found on top of somebody, this man will always come with a story and say, "Ata mimi sijui nilijikuta hapa. Huyu mwanamke ni mchawi. Venye alinitoa mimi nilikuwa kwa ofisi. Hata sijui, hebu niambie mimi niko wapi. Niambie." And that's a wife anaambia. Niambie tu niko wapi. Mimi hata makana direct kia. Niko yani wakora huko. Gekatia. Nie gekatia kai chikwera hata kai. Lakini he took himself there. But because this ego that we have, we men, we can never say die. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So this is a spirit, a very dangerous, the spirit of ego. They had